Oh, cruiser, it was a rough day, wasn't it? See, mucho pluvia. Yeah, I'm just getting dry now. I'm glad we're in someplace safe. How much further is it to Santiago? Mañana. Tomorrow? We'll get to Santiago tomorrow? See? And how about the end of the world? Oh, dos, tres días. Okay, well, uh, say goodnight to Jane. Buenas noches, Jane. All right, see you tomorrow.